What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Morbid 5 Rides. Today I'm going to bring you something special that's near and dear to my heart. Long story short, I went to the vintage Japanese motorcycle meet in Latimore, Pennsylvania this past weekend, and I told myself before I went, I don't need any more junk. I'm not buying anything. I'm just trying to sell or trade my junk. Well, that didn't work. I got there, and within the first hour I spotted a bike that I've been looking for over 10 years. Not the specific bike, but the specific make, model, size, all that year. And this specific bike was the year, make, and model that my dad had as his first bike. They're pretty rare, they're pretty hard to come by, but it is a dilapidated pile of poo. It needs a lot of love. It's been sitting many years. But this is going to be the next revival on this channel, and I'm going to share it with you. So, I know everybody's going to tell me when they see this, why would you bring this home? Well, I'm broke-ass white trash, and I can't afford nice things. So, yeah, that's why. All right. And I bring you a 1965 Yamaha YL1. It is a twin-cylinder, two-stroke, 100cc motorcycle. A lot of guys rode them off-road as well. This one did not cost me a lot of money, and it was actually a pretty smoking deal. What I got it for. I paid $300 for it. You find them in this condition, normally everybody's asking around $1,000 for them. I do have the carburetors for it. They're missing right now. It is very rusty. It's supposed to have a chrome tank. I did a couple test spots on it the other day when I brought it home to see how it was going to clean up, and I'm not doing a full restoration. I'm probably not even going to paint anything. I'm just going to try to restore the paint and chrome to the best of my ability. If I end up with other parts bikes that have nicer pieces, that's what's going to go on this bike. And if anybody watching this knows where there is a GYT factory kit for this bike, which is pistons, cylinders, cylinder heads, carburetors, and pipes, for a reasonable price, I'm not talking $2,000-$3,000, I'm talking a couple $100. Or if somebody wants to donate one for this project, please contact me through email, morbidmopars@gmail.com. And I really hope somebody out there has one, because I think it would be really fun to soup this thing up. Apparently these things were kind of quick, just being a 100, but anyway, yeah. She's rough around the edges, but that's how I like them. When you can't afford nice things, you buy dilapidated poop. Anyway, that's it, everyone. I hope everybody enjoyed this quick little, video of me showing you the next revival. And please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.